Learning a new platform on your own can feel like a solo mission. With the SnapGPT question and answer skill, you can ask questions right in the platform and get instant help as you build. You can ask SnapGPT any questions about functionality of the SnapLogic platform. Just click SnapLogic Help to get started. Here is a sample default prompt to start you off. SnapGPT provides details on how to learn more about the platform, the interface features, and other skills to help with pipeline creation and management. You can also see other commonly asked questions to help get you comfortable. Let's run a prompt asking how to schedule a pipeline to run at a specific time. SnapGPT rephrases the prompt as it loads its response. The final result gives detailed information about how it solved your prompt. Here, there are multiple methods that detail the specific steps for you to follow to get your desired outcome. For example, method 1 uses regular schedule, while 2 uses cron schedule. As we keep scrolling, SnapGPT also gives notes to consider and the source links where it's getting information so you can learn more if needed. The SnapGPT question and answer feature is one of the many ways we make it easy to learn, use, and get the most out of SnapLogic. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, it's your go-to resource for learning as you build, so you can unlock the platform's full potential faster. To level up your SnapLogic skills with SnapGPT, visit SnapLogic today.